Okay, this is just to show you how my experiment on using Velcro tape to the gradient has worked. So there's the gradient all stuck up, and I'll just now take it away, and you can see the Velcro tape behind it. And for maintenance, I think it's a perfect solution. So I'm now ready to finish the rest of the gradient, and you can see how far I've got so far, and you can see there the garages. So I've got to build a road in front, and then as you pan round you can see I've got lots more still to do. Okay, just a quick update. Thanks for watching.